Hi, my name is SORFINA. Now I want to introduce about big rent theory. Big rent theory, introduced by William Alonso in 1964, explains how land value is affected by its location, especially how close it is to key places like the city center. Businesses are willing to pay higher rents for land in these areas to reduce transport costs and increase profits. Based on this theory, my team chose Shah Alam as the study area because it is a well-planned city with a clear urban layout.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is NATASYA and today I will present how big rent theory applies to urban planning and land management in Shah Alam. Shah Alam shows how big rent theory works. Land value depends on how easy it is to access the area. Commercial areas like Section 40 and ICT are in the center because they are easy to reach and have high land value. Industrial areas are located further away but still close to highways for easy transportation. Residential areas are built even further out where the land is cheaper. Highway and LRT lines help change land values and support the balanced growth of the city. The implication to urban planning. In the urban planning, land is used based on who can pay the rent. Public transport is developed to reduce travel costs for people. Affordable houses are built near transport hubs to help people live closer to work. Green areas are kept to control city expansion. At the same time, economic growth is spread to different areas to avoid overcrowding in the city center. Next is implication to land management. For land management, land is used efficiently to avoid waste. Land use is balanced between commercial, industrial, residential, and green areas. Infrastructure is improved based on people's needs. The government can also collect revenue as land values increase. The environment is protected, and social fairness is promoted so everyone can benefit.
My name is NADHIRAH HAZWANI binti Muhammad KAMAL ARIFFIN. I will be explaining the set characteristic and how the big rent theory is applied in Shah Alam. The main set characteristic of Shah Alam includes its strategic location near Kuala Lumpur and Port Klang, its well-planned urban layout and strong transportation access such as major highways and the upcoming LRT3 project. The land values also reflect a land value gradient which the closer to the city centre, the higher the land value. Based on the big rent theory, this pattern is clearly visible in Shah Alam. Commercial zones like Section 9 and 14 are centrally located and have the highest land value. Meanwhile, industrial areas such as Section 50 and Bukit Jelutong are located farther out and offer moderate land costs. In the outer residential areas, places like Section 7 and Setia Alam offer more affordable housing suitable for student and local communities. Areas around future LRT3 stations such as ICT illustrate how transit-oriented development is expected to increase land value and encourage mixed-use urban growth in the future.
My name is SYAMIMI and I will explain about the related sector and the importance of big rent theory to urban and land management. Based on the 12, commercial sector are willing to pay the highest rent to stay close to the CBD, benefiting from high customer flow and accessibility, while industrial sector, which require large plots, tend to locate further out to avoid high costs. Meanwhile, residential sector prefer outer area where land is more affordable, providing better value for homeowners. This brings us to 3 reasons why big rent theory is important in urban planning. It helps us understand land value gradients. Land prices are highest near the CBD, guiding planners to allocate land use accordingly. It supports zoning and land use allocation by identifying which sector can afford which location, reducing conflict and improving city structure. It promotes economic efficiency by encouraging high-value land to be used for high-density, high-return development. Overall, big rent theory is a key tool in planning urban growth that is sustainable, efficient, and well-structured.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AIMAN bin AZIZAN. I'm going to explain about this map. This map, based on the big rent theory, it mentioned about the central business district. I've already located in the map where the central business district is located, which is at the Section 13, Section 14, and Section 15 in Shah Alam, Selangor. The range price for the property values, the range price for the residential unit around 200,000 until 1.9 million. For the commercial or industrial unit, the range price from about 800,000 until 40 million. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is SAHIRA binti ROSLAN. In conclusion, the big rent theory is a useful guide for planning cities more effectively. The case of Shah Alam shows how land can be used wisely by placing commercial, industrial and residential areas in the right location based on land value and accessibility. With support from infrastructure like highways and the future LRT3, the city is planned to grow in a balanced and sustainable way. This approach helps reduce land use conflicts, supports the economy, and ensures fair access to land. By applying this theory allows us to build cities that are more efficient, inclusive, and ready for the future. Thank you.